Hey Loren, this is a quick demo video for you for this Sith Ornate that I just got done installing for you. So as you can see here, the etch, this has the Sith code written in the shape of the Sith cog here, Empire cog, which is pretty cool. Just kind of an ornate design throughout. The Arabish around this ring here reads, "I will show you the dark side." And then you've got the emblems both here and here, and then they show up on each of the pommel cap bump outs. And then just some ornate etching that I did on the shrouds. Gave you an activation switch right here, obviously. And back here, took a tip from Vitali and did not drill this out, but I had a brass tactile, as you can see about how far it sticks out right there. JB welded that in early this morning, and then it has a nice feel to it, nice tactile feel right there, and it's non-intrusive, so you can hardly even see it, but that's your auxiliary. You do have the new Neopixel setup from CCSabers. I like these. These are really sweet. They're very bright, which we'll go over in a second, and then we'll open it up for you. I went with my chassis design for the flagship. So here's my chassis design. 28mm bass speaker, removable battery setup. Spring is your negative side right there for your battery. And your board sitting right here, obviously. Easy access to your card. And I put all of the 7 sound fonts that you sent to me to put on this guy are loaded on here. And we'll go through all of those as well. So let's throw a battery in it real quick. Actually, let me get a blade as well. So, negative side.
Are you threatening me, Master Jedi?
This thing is loud. Nice sound resonance. I can show you real quick. If I put the handle all the way up where it's supposed to be, you can see the amount of space between the end of the speaker and the pommel cap. So there's a nice bit of room there for sound resonance. Activation will probably just wake up the board at this point.
Are you threatening me, Master Jedi?
Those pixels are nice and bright, man. Smooth swing. Now your auxiliary. Tap for blaster deflex. Hold for blade lockup. And we'll throw a blade in here. I'm just going to hold the blade for right now. I need to put you a blade retention screw in right here, which I will do before I send out, but I forgot to do that before this video. So for now, I'm just going to hold the blade in and hit the activation.
I am the Senate.
And you can see it works. We'll do the color change. This will be similar to all of your other sabers. So everything's working really well there. Nice fit. All the wires under the board. Try to make it nice and tidy for an install. The only 2 wires that you'll see ever on top of the board when I do something like this is because I jump my negative pads. So you'll see 2 small wires right there jumping these 2, one small one jumping these 2 pads, and then one more small one jumping these other 2. But other than that, everything's on the underside of this board. So, excuse me. I hope that this turned out the way that you like. I hope you enjoy it. I put a lot of love and labor into this guy, and we'll get it out to you in the mail tomorrow morning. Thank you.